Detective Maggie Sawyer, NCPD Science Division. We handle all cases involving aliens and things that go bump in the night. I'm buying all night. What do you have?
It means that I made a mistake, okay? I was wrong. Shouldn't have said anything. I should have just kept my mouth shut. She doesn't like me. Like that.
We're friends.
No, Maggie. We're not friends. We hung out. We got close. Then you called me out for liking you, and then I had the guts to admit, yes, it's true. And you told me that my feelings were real and that I deserved to be happy. And so I thought you meant that I deserved to be happy with you. Alex, no, I'm not done. Because then you convinced me to come out to my sister, and I did. Because I was sure of one thing, and that was my feelings for you. Initially, I was terrified, but ultimately, I was proud to come out. Because it wasn't just some concept. It was about my feelings for this amazing woman. But now, I don't feel liberated or like I am on some great journey. All I feel is pain because you don't want me.
And we should kiss the girls that we want to kiss. I want to kiss you.
Seven times the flame, too much to take. The sky burns red against your skin.
See you around, Embers. See you next.
Turns in the wind, coming like a hurricane.
You're gonna be a great mom.
I take it in real slow. The world is spinning like a weather vane, fragile and composed. Though I am breaking down again.
You know, I really thought I was moving on. I still feel so sad.
Okay, we just started this, you and me. Or what's the name of our first dog? Do you want to get a dog? Yeah, let's name her Gertrude. See, there's a lifetime of firsts that we're gonna do together, so you hold on, okay? Hold on until I get to you. You promise. Promise me. Where's it?
It's all we know, all we know, the hurricane, falling slow, falling slow in the pouring rain. It's all we know, the hurricane. Falling slow in the pouring rain. Watch it go.
The belated Valentine's Day prom. I'm sorry. Too busy nursing my old wounds that I forgot to look at this gorgeous woman in front of me and consider her feelings. You deserve all of this as a girl, the pomp and the fuss, and you deserve an amazing romance with a woman who is absolutely crazy about you. May I have this dance?
I don't know how it can change. It's all we know.